Today is August 30th, and you're about to become just a little bit smarter by listening to Smarter Phones Now. Let's go back in time to some events that changed the world on this day. Comment if you can remember where you were when some of these events happened. While August 30th might not have the blockbuster tech headlines of a new iPhone release or a major operating system launch, it's a date with a surprising number of foundational and historically significant events. These are the moments that didn't just change a company, but rather, they shaped the very world we live in. One of the most profound scientific and technological events to occur on this date is the birth of a man who would fundamentally change our understanding of the universe. On August 30th, 1871, Ernest Rutherford was born. Known as the father of nucleophysics, his work on radioactivity and the structure of the atom was revolutionary. He discovered and named alpha and beta radiation, proposed the concept of a radioactive half-life, and in his most famous experiment, the gold foil experiment, he demonstrated that the atom's mass is concentrated in a tiny, dense nucleus. He was also the first person to intentionally create a man-made nuclear reaction. His discoveries laid the groundwork for everything from nuclear power to modern medicine, and are a cornerstone of our scientific knowledge. Jumping ahead to the 20th century, we find another event that was more about communication than pure innovation, but which had massive technological and geopolitical implications. On August 30th, 1963, the hotline communications link between Washington, D.C. and Moscow went into operation. You might know it as the Red Phone, although it was a teletype machine, not a phone. This secure line was established to prevent accidental nuclear war during the height of the Cold War. It was a technological solution to a very human problem, a direct and crucial line of communication that could bypass the bureaucracy and delays that could lead to catastrophe. The most important event that happened on August 30th is arguably the launch of Space Shuttle Challenger's STS-8 mission on August 30th, 1983. This was not just a technological feat, but a monumental social and historical one. On board was U.S. Air Force Lieutenant Colonel Guion S. Bluford, Jr., who became the first African American to travel into space. This mission represented a breaking of barriers and a step forward in the human exploration of space. For many, including myself, it was a moment of immense pride and a sign of progress. The sight of the Challenger lifting off the launch pad at night was a truly unforgettable image. Bluford's achievement paved the way for future generations of diverse astronauts and underscored the idea that the stars are for everyone. This article was produced with the help of AI and some very smart smartphones. Make sure to subscribe, share, and like this video. Thank you and God bless.